Welcome to the Frontpoint wireless doorbell camera installation video. My name is Leslie, and today we're going to walk through the easy steps of adding the doorbell and smart chime to your existing Frontpoint home security system. Then you'll be able to enjoy the top-of-the-line features of the doorbell, like rapid person detection for advanced notifications and clip recordings, live video to see what's happening outside your door, and two-way audio to talk with guests outside, all powered by battery for ultimate flexibility. With the included smart chime, you can choose your very own chime sound from 20 options. Plus, you can use your chime to strengthen the Wi-Fi connection of up to 8 Frontpoint cameras. To complete your setup, we'll use the Frontpoint app to set up the smart chime, followed by the doorbell app setup. Then we'll mount the doorbell and configure the settings. Please note that the smart chime must be installed prior to the wireless doorbell camera. Let's get started. First, we need to connect the smart chime to your Frontpoint account. You will need a mobile phone and a strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. From your phone, log into the Frontpoint app and navigate to Add Device. Select Doorbell Camera, then tap the image of the smart chime. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to add the smart chime. These instructions will walk you through steps like plugging the chime into an outlet close to your router and connecting to Wi-Fi. You can move the smart chime to a more permanent location once complete. After installing your smart chime, you can customize and test its volume and tone in the app under Manage Devices and within Device Settings, with up to 20 tones to choose from. Now you're ready to add your other cameras. To set up the doorbell camera, let's first activate the battery. Slide the battery downwards, away from the rest of the camera body to remove it. Peel off the blue film, then reattach the battery. In the app, navigate back to Add Device, select Doorbell Camera, and then tap the image of the wireless doorbell camera. Once again, follow the simple on-screen instructions to add the doorbell to your system and connect it to the smart chime. When the doorbell LED button turns solid green, it is successfully connected to the smart chime. Now we're ready to mount the doorbell to your home. In addition to the components from the package, you will need a power drill, drill bit, and pencil. Choose the mounting location. We recommend the side of the door frame 4 feet above the ground. To ensure you are satisfied with the field of view, hold the wireless doorbell camera on top of the standard mounting bracket and check the live view from within the Frontpoint app before you drill any holes. Make sure you can see low enough where packages would be placed and high enough where faces would be shown. If your doorway is at the top of steps or you otherwise need to angle the camera a bit downwards, try positioning the optional mounting wedge under the bracket to see if that improves the view. For details on how to mount the camera with the optional mounting wedge, please refer to the official user guide, which differs slightly from the no wedge installation method we will show here. Once satisfied with the field of view, set aside the wireless doorbell camera, but continue to hold the mounting bracket in place. Use a level if you have one to confirm the mounting bracket is parallel to the ground. Use the pencil to mark where the 2 mounting screws will go. Now, set aside the mounting bracket and drill into each of the 2 marked locations on the wall, depending on your mounting surface. If you used a 1/4-inch drill bit, insert the anchors into the holes for stability. Position the mounting bracket so its 2 holes align with the screw holes and use your drill to secure the screws into the holes or anchors, fastening the bracket to the wall. Finally, align the 4 prongs on the back of the doorbell with the rectangular slots on the mounting bracket and slide down until it clicks into place. Then slide the latch on the bottom of the bracket to the left to lock it. Now that your wireless doorbell camera is up and running, let's get it configured according to your preferences. Be sure to turn on push notifications for doorbell calls and configure a video analytics rule for rapid person detection, using the app to customize your rule and notification options. Want to know when someone is on your porch but not receive notifications for kids playing in the background? You can select an area for which you'd like to receive alerts and which to avoid. Way to go! You're now ready to start using your new doorbell camera. In your app, you can view live video and even arm or disarm right from the viewing screen. You can use two-way audio capabilities by pressing and holding the microphone button to speak through the camera and releasing it to listen. Hello?
I have a package that needs a signature.
Okay, I'll be right out. To exit the live feed, simply hit End Call. You can also watch recorded clips in the doorbell camera section of the app and even name, save, and share them. You can access settings for your doorbell like image quality to preserve the battery, motion sensitivity, and battery charge level by clicking on the settings cog within the doorbell camera section. Finally, when the battery needs to be recharged, remove it by unlatching it from the bottom of the bracket and sliding out the battery. Then use the included micro USB cable to plug the battery into a USB wall charger. The charging LED will be solid orange while charging and will turn solid green when it is fully charged. And that's it! Thank you for being a valued Frontpoint customer, and we hope you enjoy the ease and convenience of your new wireless doorbell camera.